Hello friends, welcome to Pooja's 5 Minute Talks. Happy Republic Day to all my keen listeners. Every Indian heart fills with pride when we see the national flag unfurling on the Republic Day. 26 January brings out the patriot in us, but not everybody knows how much significance the day holds for us. So here are some facts about Republic Day that every Indian should be aware of. January 26, 1930 was earlier celebrated as India's Independence Day or Purna Swaraj Day. It's the day India decided to fight for complete freedom. After we achieved independence on August 15 in 1947, our leaders wanted January 26 to be remembered in history as well. Therefore, the day was made to coincide with the day of Swaraj. The first Republic Day was celebrated on January 26, 1950, 3 years after we got independence. Republic Day celebrations are 3-day long affair. The celebrations end on January 29 with the beating retreat ceremony. The first R-Day parade at Rajpath was held in 1955. India's constitution is the longest in the world. It has a total of 448 articles. It is written in English as well as Hindi. Drafting the constitution was a Herculean task. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar took 2 years and 11 months to draft the Indian Constitution. Our leaders took the best aspects from other countries' constitutions. The concept of liberty, equality, and fraternity came from the French Constitution, while the 5-year plans came from the USSR Constitution. Before the Constitution came into force, India followed British government's Government of India Act 1935. A majority of national awards such as Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan and Kirti Chakra are awarded during the Republic Day ceremony. Republic Day is an important event in India's history, a moment that celebrates the fact that we are second to none. Let's take a moment to salute the grand constitution of our country. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you. Do not forget to press the like button, share my video and subscribe.